Hey guys, welcome back to the SoeFoods channel. Today I'm going to be making stuffed pork chops, and without talking too much, let's just get right down to business. I have some really simple ingredients. I'm going with half onion chopped up, 1 stick of celery chopped up, and 2 pork chops. Just slice it in the middle. This is where I'll be putting the stuffing. I first start seasoning the chops with a little bit of seasoning, just a little bit on each side, and garden table blend. So I got this brand here of croutons, and the reason I got this brand is because it's made of Texas toast, and it's already seasoned. And so since it said Texas toast, I had a feeling it would be more crispy and, you know, better croutons. So it looks like that. I'm just gonna add a little bit. I have half cup of hot water and 1 teaspoon of chicken flavor, and add it to the croutons. And just let it sit till it soaks up a little bit. It's gonna help it add even more flavor. So I just let it soak until my pork chops are ready to be stuffed. So I heat up a pan here. Add a little bit of olive oil. There we go. The oil is hot, and I'm just gonna sear my pork chops on both sides. Alright, you're gonna flip it. Sear the other side. Cook about 2 minutes on each side, just to make it golden brown. So now I'm going to transfer the pork chops to this pan here. And finish them up in the oven. I have my oven on 300 degrees. So I saute the onion and celery real quick. So now I add the stuffing that has been soaked for a little bit.